Alright, so I'm going to show how in YouTube Studio, if you're a content creator creating YouTube videos, how the copyright stuff works. So this is what happens when people take your videos or content from your videos. YouTube basically looks for who published it first. And then depending on when it gets published after that, then they will flag it and tell the creator of the video what's going on. So they have these options for matches that will show, and then you can choose if you are okay with the use of your content. You can archive it. So I submitted videos for a contest, and they basically added them to part of their video. So YouTube will actually tell me 10% of their video, about approximately, has my content in it. So that's how that works. I allowed those, so I just archived them. But this video, somebody actually took my entire video here. So if you go here you can see the channel name. You can see how many subscribers they have, how much of their video did they steal. So it looks like they took 100% of my video. They didn't take the audio, of course. So, but if I click this, you'll see. So let's see here. So here's, you can see, this is actually my video here. So here you can see it shows my video. It shows how many views, 13,000. Okay. So that person actually, like, let's see here, let's close this. So if I close that, so that's my video. If I click, I guess the one up here, this will show their video. Yeah. So here you can see they got 107 views, and they put this dumb intro thing with some music. This is also, I think, copyrighted music, but yeah, so here you can see they just took my whole video and muted my audio, made the video less useful because there's no audio commentary, and they just put music. But yeah, so after you go through that, let me close this. So after you go through that, they give you the option what you want to do. I thought there was a way you can like copyright claim it, but it looks like all you can do is request to have their video deleted. You can archive it, which basically means you're just ignoring it, I guess. And then there's a thing to contact them. So if I click to contact, it asks you to put in your email, and then it automatically puts in this automated response here. I guess you can't really change it, but it puts this automated response. It says it's coming from YouTube and this kind of stuff. So just in case you were interested on how this works and how people like find out that you stole some of their video or you use some of their video, this is how it works. So here you go. So it's automatic. So they send this stuff to the content creator, and then the people, they just go through and then they decide whether they are okay with you using it or not. So here you can see it says that, so that's their video. It's confusing because this is the message that it's sending to them. So your video means their video, and then their video means my video. And it shows my channel, and it just says that if you use it, then I can ask them to remove it, and then they can get a copyright strike on their account. So that's what goes on. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is. This is how they do the copyright claims and stuff. So make sure if you're using someone's content, at least ask them first. And if they say no, yeah, just don't do it, because YouTube is pretty good with automatically finding content that doesn't match, even if you remove all the audio, it looks like. All right. So hopefully this video was interesting to you guys, and hopefully this helped. Yeah, don't steal people's content. If you're gonna disassemble computers, then record yourself disassembling them. Don't take my content and then like post it on yours saying that you're doing it. Yeah. All right. Hopefully this video helped. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.